All right, then India have registered a win here. Harbhajan, you thought it will be a close contest. Was it?
No, it wasn't a close contest at all. It was one-sided traffic as always. Of course, Ishan Kishan was brilliant, outstanding. You know, he batted top-notch on such wicket where it was difficult to bat. But India, you know, once again showed their power. They have too many resources which can, take that right step forward and take that win for Team India. Well done, Ishan Kishan. Well done to all the bowlers for putting the right foot forward and getting that important win for India. And once again, now score is 8-1.
It is 8-1. What did you make of at the toss? Everyone thought it's going to be tough to chase. Pakistan win the toss. What were they thinking?
Well, I don't know what were they thinking. I had Misbah with me. Wasim Akram was with me, talking to me after the toss, and they said, I don't know what's wrong with this team and the management. They decided to chase on this wicket where they know India is very, very strong team. Of course, had they batted first, I don't think they would have scored more than 130, 140 odds. It was India who batted really well on that wicket, Turkey wicket, and scored 175 runs, and it was too many for Pakistan on this wicket. The difference between these two teams is huge. Let's not, compare Pakistan with India. Pakistan is not the team that we can say that can compete with India. You see the score line, you see the way they played today. They were under pressure from ball one. So it goes on to show India is a superpower when it comes to cricket for sure.
Yeah, we can hype India, Pakistan as much as we want, but as Harbhajan put it, it is a no contest. Huge gap between the two teams that was witnessed today. Harbhajan, thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you for having me. Well done, Team India.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.